she is, getting work started. Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another vlog. Currently I'm taking the RSX to a shop, but not just any shop. This shop, it's near Steve's place, and one of Steve's friends works there as a mechanic. Steve actually went there the other day from the time of this recording to put new tires on and to get an alignment, and he was telling me how nice the shop was and whatnot. The shop's kind of sort of new. I'm going there to install the new lower ball joints, maybe get an alignment too, nothing too specific. The track day was pretty hard on it, so I'll see y'all there in a minute.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, you always know. You already know. Y'all already know. Coffee time. Alright guys, I'm at Vibe Auto Sports. I'll put their Instagram on the screen, but yeah, this is it's kind of a new place sort of in this area. This part of Houston, very clean shop, very nice. I asked if I could vlog a little bit in here, and they said it's fine. So when you walk in, this is like the entrance. That's where the car is at. Really clean in here, really nice. I'm a sucker for aquariums too. Oof, check that out, that Arai helmet though. Oof. Okay, the guy working on my car, Daniel, I'll put his Instagram too on the screen. Really cool guy, Honda guy too. Him, and then the owner, they're into racing, like track racing and all that stuff too, which is, you know, awesome, because these guys, you know, I guess you could say, mingling, doing business with, or, you know, just generally being around other people with, you know, like-minded people. Everyone's like that, but specifically, you know, racing and motorsports and stuff like that. I like where their mind's at when it comes to cars, I guess, you know. Nothing wrong with show cars. That's just not my speed. Matter of fact, I think the owner has an RSX, and I think I know where I think it's parked out there. That should be his. I'll do a little walk around it a little bit.
Get the tricks in there.
Ooh. New ball joints. Was it like hard to put in, like for you at least? Like,
I mean, once you do it plenty of times, then it's a piece of cake.
Okay, cool.
Lemon squeeze, you know, you back of the hand.
All right, that's nice. Probably would have popped out on me on the road, so.
See that lip here?
Yeah.
That's where you want to get the socket at.
Oh,
or something like perfect sizing for that. So it doesn't, you try to do it here. Look at all that. This is stupid what I do.
Damn.
Get a cup for the bag. If you do it here, you're pretty much, it's not gonna go nowhere.
Okay.
Yeah, this one just like perfect sizing to it.
Perfect size, okay.
So it'll just go through here. You won't interrupt it.
Nice, okay.
Round 2. Fight!
Let me go ahead and lube it up.
So we ran into a little problem. These ball joints are extended. I failed to realize that, and look at this. The stock strut is too long, so it won't even mount. So Daniel is, he thought of something.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, while it's still there, but Daniel had to go to a parts store right quick for another customer, so I'm just hanging out. I'm gonna walk over here to check out his car though. He's driving a, I can't remember what generation of Accord it is, but his is actually really nice, but unfortunately he blew the engine at the last track event, which he went to, which was like several weeks ago or something like that. But he has a new engine in it. It's not his ideal setup and it needs to be tuned and fixed, but it's enough for it to drive. It's got the canards all set up. Ooh, carbon fiber fenders? What? Toyo tires. Oh, I think these are Advan wheels. Oh yeah, they definitely are Advan wheels. Nice. I'm not sure exactly what all he has done to it. He does track, he does time attack, along with the owner of the shop with the RSX, which he left. I was gonna take some footage of the RSX, but he left to go somewhere, so hopefully he comes back before I leave. Let's go inside. Oh Jesus, gutted. That's a real race car. Strut bar, roll cage. He said his ECU's kind of messed up right now or something like that. He needs his tuner to retune it or something like that. Hey Daniel, if you're watching, go in the comments and explain your car, because some of the stuff I forgot. Quick shifter. Not even a passenger seat. Nice. It is a real race car. It's street legal, I guess. But he said we can open it. Yeah, it's unlocked. Damn. F20. I don't know if you can see that F20B motor. His original, I think, was an H22 or H20, I believe, if I remember correctly. But it blew on him at the last track event he went to. So you swap this in for the time being. He told me it's not really ideal for what he wants right now, but it's enough to get the car running. So he said don't mind the mess. It's still a work in progress. So yeah. Oh, there he is. There's the owner with the RSX. Jesus, those brakes are loud. He has a performance brake pads. They squeal even. That's just how they normally are. I'm gonna go check it out here in a minute. But yeah, as I mentioned earlier, follow Daniel. I'll put his Instagram on the screen and in the description. I want to show him some love, show him some support. Alright, here is the RSX Type S. Ooh, chassis mounted splitter. Even has a better toe strap than me. Oh, Dev Sport. That's what I thought. For the front splitter and the side splitters. For my car, that's what I want to get. Work wheels. Oof. Nice. Fitment and everything is so nice. I like the side skirts too. I think they're A-spec. Got Sparko seats, Tanaka racing harness, and is that a roll bar or just a harness mount? Probably just a harness mount. Sparko wheel. I'll put his shop's Instagram on the screen, as also in the description. Give them a follow. They're still pretty new, but they do a lot of good work. Their shop is nice and clean. Real shit. This thing is nice. I'm kind of I don't want to say jealous, more of envious, because this car is light years ahead of mine. In a lot of ways, this car is what mine should be, but it'll be a while till that happens. Staring into the future right here. Gotta appreciate a nice track build. This is actually track / street build, but you know, whatever. Alright, she's all done. Now she just needs to get on the alignment rack. There. So Daniel was telling me how bad the positive camber was. There's a wear on the outside, so it's very, well, which we kind of knew because, you know, from the track and all that, but there's not much you can do for the positive camber in its stock form. There's only so much setting he can do. The more reasons why I need coils to come in soon, because there's camber adjustments on the coils.
Eventually.
Ooh, right next to the other RSX, nice. Yeah, we came across a problem. So apparently when you get extended ball joints, you need extended inner and outer tie rod, because I don't know, something about the geometry makes it harder for the tie rods to reach or something like that. Theoretically, once I get coils and it's lowered, I won't necessarily need them. The steering is pretty much as on point as possible, considering the fact that it's, you know, mostly stock adjustments and whatnot. Although I think I have a slightly smaller or slightly less turning radius on one side. I'm just gonna go inside, he's gonna ring me up, and that'll be it. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Hold on. Hey, what's up guys? I'm actually home. I completely forgot to, you know, close out this vlog on the drive back, anyways, I'm thoroughly happy with the work that Daniel at Vive Auto Sports has done. So y'all in the Houston area that's watching these videos, you know, give them a shot. Haven't been around for a long time, but they are doing some good work. The technicians and mechanics, they're pretty experienced. A lot of them have worked at other shops, other well-known shops. I guess the only problem, this isn't because of them, this is because of how my car is now. The alignment for the tires, toe, camber, all that stuff, all that's great. But I don't know if I explained it clearly earlier, but because the Hardrace ball joints are extended, it does this whole geometry thing to where I kind of sort of need extended inner and outer tie rods for the steering, because these factory ones, they're just about maxed out and they're not long enough. The wheels and tires are straight, but the steering itself, on the way home, it was actually like this pretty much. This was straight. This was right here was driving straight. So it's kind of funny because it was off to the right prior to this. Now it's off to the left. It's weird. I'm hoping that when I get coils, when it lowers the car, it'll help cancel out some of that problems. But I'm pretty sure I still need to get extended tie rods. Regardless, great place, great service. That'll be it for this vlog, you know. It's nice doing a vlog at a shop. You know, shout out to Daniel and Hector, because I believe they now follow me on Instagram and they're subbed to this channel. If y'all watching, thanks. And so yeah, any of y'all who are watching haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, you know. Follow me on this journey for this car and like this video, and I'll see y'all on the next vlog. Peace.